Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Google Slides in just a few simple steps. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Slides and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Gemini is built into Google Workspace, so you'll usually find it on the right side of your screen as a sidebar or help me create option. Or sometimes it looks like an icon, like this one. So you can click this to try out Gemini. And once you see this, just simply click on that to open the panel. And from here, you can start typing what you want, like create a presentation about digital marketing, or maybe even add 5 slides about climate change. Gemini will then generate slide content for you, including titles, bullet points, and even suggestions for structures. Now, you can insert the slides directly into your presentation with just a click. You can also use it to improve existing slides. For example, you can ask it to rewrite text, make it shorter, or make it more engaging. It's really helpful if you want to clean up your presentation quickly. And basically, that's about it. Using Gemini in Google Slides basically helps you go from idea to full presentation in minutes without starting from scratch. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!